Hi, this is David from Fumastra Management Consulting, and I'm going to guide you through the installation and activation of some Excel HR functions that we have created. Currently in Excel, there are more than 400 functions available in the Formulas tab, but none of those are corresponding to PAYE function or NSSF to calculate the different taxes or amount of money that need to be paid to those organizations. And so we need to use several if statements to calculate those payments that have to be made to those organizations. So we have created 4 functions that help calculate the NSSF, PAYE, net salary and gross salary for Uganda. We have several instructions in this page that help understand and indicate how to use those functions. The purpose of this video is mainly to show you how to install those functions. So we can go on this web page, fumastra.com/services/hr-functions.ug and download, and clicking on this link, the application that will install those functions in Excel. Let's close Excel as we download the HR functions. Once installed, we can click on it and follow the indication on the installer. If we have this warning, we can click on more info and run. We are now going to install the XLS HR functions. So we click next. We check that we are installing them in the right folder, which should be Microsoft add-ins, as it is an Excel add-in. Next, install. We can accept this. And that's it. It has been installed complete. We can click on finish, open Excel. We need to activate something else in Excel. So we open a blank workbook. We go into File, Options, and then in this Excel Options window, we go into Add-ins. We click on Manage Excel Add-ins Go. And from this window, we can activate Excel DNA IntelliSense and Excel function. Excel function will activate the HR functions, including NSSF, PAYE, net salary, and gross salary. IntelliSense is simply the feature that activates information about those functions. So we are going to see how it works. We click OK, and that's it. Those functions are now available in Excel. We can try. As we type PAYE, we see that we have some information, and that information is exactly what IntelliSense does. It provides information about the functions. So in this case, PAYE returns the income tax applicable on the salary depending whether it is a gross or net amount, and if the salary receiver is a resident or not. If we try NSSF, we have the same type of information. Returns the NSSF amount of either the employee contribution, the employer contribution, or both employee and employer contribution based on either a gross amount or a net amount. So we can try and use it, and we have further instruction. As we open the bracket, the first argument corresponds to the salary. Enter the salary, whether gross, net, monthly, or yearly. Let's say it's 5 million, and it's salary type net. Monthly, in this case, the period, precise whether the salary represents a monthly figure or yearly figure. We can type monthly, comma, return type, so it's choose 1 to return the employee contribution, 2 to return the employer contribution. In this case, we will say we want the employee contribution, and that's it. We can close the bracket. The last argument, resident, is an optional argument, true or omitted for resident. In the majority of the cases, we believe the situation will be with the resident, so we can ignore this argument, close the bracket, and validate with enter. We can format the cell with a 1000 separator and read that the NSSF would be 377,000 on a net salary of 5,000. You can have further instruction on the NSSF function on our webpage, fumastra.com /services details /HR functions UG. Link available below this video, and each argument is explained, and a video explains also how to use the NSSF function, PAYE function, and net salary, gross salary as well. So those functions are available. If we want to calculate the gross salary of a net salary of 5 million, we can use the gross salary function, period, monthly, and resident. So we can either type true or ignore it, as we have said before. And we know that the gross salary from a net of 5 million would be 7,541,538. That's it. We have the functions available in Excel. We can use them and calculate different things. Again, if you need more instruction, you can go on our webpage, HR Functions UG from Fumastra Management Consulting, and read and watch the video explaining each of those functions. Now, if you want to uninstall those add-ins and we don't need it anymore, we can go back to File, Options, again Add-ins, and we need to open the Add-ins window by clicking Go, Manage Excel Add-ins, Go. We uncheck the boxes in front of those add-ins. We click OK. We close Excel, and we need to do one more thing. We can go into Add and Remove Programs. We are going to retrieve the program that did the installation and remove the files and add-ins from the folder. So HR. We have retrieved the small application, XLS HR Functions UG. We can click on it and uninstall. Do you want to allow this app from? Okay, so that's it. It has been uninstalled. It is not available anymore. We can close this. We can check into Excel. That's it. If we try to use an NSSF function, it's not available. If we try PAYE, it's not available also. That's it. So we have seen how to install, activate, and use the different HR functions with NSSF function, PAYE function, net salary, and gross salary, and also how to uninstall, deactivate those add-ins, and uninstall them from the computer. That's it. If you need further information or if you have any suggestion, you can contact me at david@fumastra.com, and I will be pleased to assist you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you will find them useful.